Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can play .mov video files in Windows 11. So if I open this MOV file, you will see there is a error to install a codec, which is you can see HEVC video extension. So we need to, if we want to play this file, we have to get this one. But if you want to play this video for free, then I have a method for you. First you have to go to the website. The website name is videoland.org. This website is, as you can see, this software is free and open source cross platform multiplayer. Simply you have to click on download VLC. It will take few seconds and the download will start in few seconds. So let's see, click on keep. Now the game is going to download and let's wait for few seconds. Okay, so software is now downloaded. We are going to click on the file, and now we have to download this. We have to install this media player. Yes, click on next. It will take few seconds. Again retry and retry, ignore, and yes. So the software is installed. Click on finish. Okay, this is the VLC media player. Now we are going to open the file here and here. Simply we're going to drag this icon here, and here we go. Now we can easily click here and click on VLC media player. As you can see, all the videos are going to play. Now just refresh this one, go to downloads, and then you will see these are the files with .mov. Simply click here, click on open with, click on VLC media player. Boom. So hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.